actually made you want to come back to Dr. Cole?
Because I feel Dr. Cole is excellent. He's the best. So I did not want to go to anybody that was cut rate, or I wouldn't think of going somewhere else. That's why I didn't do it.
Now, how do you feel after looking at this?
A lot better. Because man, I did not feel good there. The hair tattoo I felt good about, but it wasn't good enough. So I had to go step 2, the hairdo.
And just from looking at it, it doesn't look like plugs or anything.
No, it doesn't. It does not.
It's all natural.
No mess in the back. There's no
strip.
No color. Can't tell.
No, that's beautiful.
I'm very happy with it.
All right.
But I had to come back again because like I said, I need it to be beautiful. So we got to go again and do.
How's the family react to it?
Oh, they loved it. They loved it. Well, I wanted to look better, and I knew I had to do it with the hair because the hair is the first thing you look at.
Of course.
In the face, like, I needed my face back.
Okay.
So I got my face back.
That's awesome.
So that's what I'm happy about. And, lots of things you just can't even explain. Just feel better.
Okay. Okay.
I'm glad I did it.
And this is your second trip.
This is my second trip, and I'm very excited to see it look even better and thicker and fuller next year. So at this time.
Thank you very much.
So I can't wait.
Thank you.